If you see code 722, it means your DIRECTV receiver may not be getting the channel info for your programming. In this video, we'll look at how to troubleshoot code 722 without having to call customer service. First, many issues can be solved by refreshing your DIRECTV service. Sign into your online account at att.com/myAT&T and select My DIRECTV. Now select Manage My Plan. Great! Now just select Manage and Learn About Equipment. Then refresh service. Your DIRECTV service might be interrupted for a few minutes. If code 722 comes back, try a manual reset. Just unplug your DIRECTV receiver from the electrical outlet, wait 15 seconds, and plug it back in. Once your system reboots, it may be necessary to refresh your service one more time. So go back to your myAT&T account again and follow the same steps as before. If code 722 returns, call 800-531-5000. Mention code 722 and we'll help you get back to enjoying your DIRECTV as fast as possible. Thanks for choosing AT&T.